Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I hope that Moby's End icon thing doesn't disappear. I'm gonna try Golden Freddy mode. I know I'm gonna die instantly. Like, I can only last for 5 seconds. So so yeah. Oh, look who's already gone. No, Golden Freddy. Golden Freddy? Dang, Golden Freddy. No, don't put the mask on. Don't ever put the mask on. I can't flash my light. Oh, come on. Oh no, dang it. Oh. Oh. They're both already in the room. Wow. Oh my god. Torchica and Bonnie were in the room.